One sunny afternoon, Ellie was in her garden when a rainbow-colored butterfly caught her eye. Curious and excited, Ellie followed the butterfly as it danced through the air, leading her to a magical forest. As she entered the forest, Ellie felt the magic in the air. The trees shimmered, and the flowers sparkled, lighting the way ahead. "Hello there," said a friendly squirrel, offering Ellie a glowing piece of fruit. "This will help you on your journey." Suddenly, a playful wind appeared, swirling the flowers and causing trouble for a delicate flower in the clearing. Ellie quickly had an idea. "Let's all work together to protect the flower," she said. The animals agreed, ready to help. With teamwork, they created a shield using glowing mushrooms and plants, stopping the wind from blowing the flower away. The butterfly, glowing brighter than ever, fluttered around Ellie in gratitude. It left a trail of sparkling light as it soared into the sky. Ellie returned to her garden, knowing that the magic of the forest and the butterfly would always be a part of her heart.